music career.
Ali, I understand that you have a nickname. Let me pronounce it right. The King of Kennywood. So obviously it means Hollywood in your country, in Nigeria and beyond. You're well known in putting the Northern Nigeria flavor into the movies. How do you try to do that in a country that is also so diverse on itself? And what does it mean to you coming here and see your colleagues from China all over the world? Please.
I'll say that this is one of the reasons why we're trying to do these cultural exchanges so we can sign audiovisual OUs, get to do co-productions together, because in so doing, we're going to have this mutual relationship where, for instance, China brings the technology, we have the culture, they get to understand our culture, and our crew members, our actors get to learn, the etiquettes of the filmmaking and what have you. So these exchanges are mainly one of the reasons why we're here.
Wonderful. Thank you. Can you do it in 3 sentences?
Teamwork, collaboration, perseverance, a sense of humor, and put everything in context. And I think if you do all of those and you work incredibly hard in something